Hi, my name is Patrick, and I would like to guide you through this video tutorial where you will learn how to navigate in the EVOTION app. When you open the EVOTION app, you will see the start screen. Before you can use the EVOTION app, you must make sure your hearing aids are connected. If the ear icons at the top of the screen are green, there is a connection, and you are good to go. Please note, if you have a single hearing aid, only the matching ear icon in the EVOTION app will turn green. If there is no connection indicated, try replacing the battery of the hearing aid or reset the hearing aids by opening and closing the battery drawer. Press the refresh connection button at the upper right corner of the screen and the ear icons will turn green. The EVOTION app has 5 different buttons: Controls, Notifications, Information, Activities, and Uncomfortably Loud Sounds. If you press the Controls button, you will see this screen. In here, you can switch between programs. Adjust the hearing aid volume by using the volume slider for the left or the right hearing aid. Press the link sliders button to simultaneously adjust the volume on the left and right hearing aids. Please be aware that the link sliders button is only necessary if you have 2 hearing aids. If you wish to mute your hearing aids, press the Mute All button. To unmute your hearing aids, press the Mute All button again. Press the arrow back button in the upper left corner to return to the EVOTION start screen. If you press the Information button, you will access useful tutorials on how to maintain, place, and control your hearing aid. You can watch these videos as many times as you wish. Simply press the video you would like to see. Press the arrow back button in the upper left corner to return to the EVOTION startup screen. If you want to complete your daily activities, press the Activities button. Press the activity you wish to complete, for example, audiometry, and the EVOTION app will instruct you on how to complete the activity. Press the arrow back button in the upper left corner twice to return to the EVOTION startup screen. The EVOTION app will notify you when to complete the different activities. You can find all of your notifications when you press the Notifications button on the EVOTION start screen. Press the arrow back button in the upper left corner to return to the EVOTION start screen. In the case you should experience an uncomfortably loud sound, press the Uncomfortably Loud Sounds button to assess your hearing situation. This assessment serves research purposes and requires you to complete a short survey. After pressing the button, answer the 2 questions, and from that you will be prompted to complete specific activities, for example, an audiometry. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. We hope we could give you some good advice on how to navigate in the EVOTION app. If you want to get support on how to connect the EVOTION hearing aids to the EVOTION phone, please find the video tutorial here. For more support, please contact your EVOTION team.